Good morning. Class 4, subject Social Studies. This is extra class for Essay 1, and this is 7th chapter, and the chapter name is Coastal Plains and Iceland. And today's date is 29th of June 2020. So let's start. Coastal plains. These things would be easily found in coastal regions and islands. We will now study about India's coastal plains and the two island group, the Andaman and Nicobar Island and Lakshadweep Islands. Now coastal plains. The coastal plains are located in the southern part of India. They are divided into the western coastal plains and eastern coastal plains. These plains stretch from Gujarat to West Bengal, covering a coastline of approximately 6,000 km. The two coastal plains meet the Kanyakumari. So look at the map of India and the location of the coastal plains. This is coastal plains and island of India. Okay. So western coastal plains. The western coastal plains are located between the Western Ghat and the Arabian Sea. These plains stretch from Gujarat to Kerala. These plains cover the western part of the states of Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka and Kerala. The average width of the western coast is 65 km. The western coastal plains are divided into three parts. The Gujarat coast, this lies in the north. It is the widest between the Gulf of Kutch and Gulf of Khambat. Uh, Khambat. This is the Konkan coast. This lies to the south of the Gujarat coast and extends up to Goa. This region is rich in petroleum deposits. The biggest port of Mumbai lies on the coast. The Konkan coast is narrow and rocky. Many lighthouses are located on this coast. And the Malabar coast, this lies to the south of the Konkan coast and extends up to Kerala. It is well known for lagoons or backwaters. A lagoon is a shallow salt water lake separated from the sea by an area of rock or sand. Now eastern coastal plains. The eastern coastal plains are located between the Eastern Ghats and the Bay of Bengal. These plains stretch from West Bengal to Tamil Nadu. These plains cover the eastern part of West Bengal, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Puducherry. The eastern coastal plains are wider than the western coastal plains and are divided into the northern Sirsas and the Coromandel coast. The northern Sirsas are the northern part of the eastern coastal plains and the Coromandel coast is the southern part of the eastern coastal plains. Now importance of coastal plains. Similar to the other physical features of India, the coastal plains are also very important to our country in a number of ways. The coastal plains have a number of ports. Inland and foreign trade is carried on from these ports. The soil of the coastal plains is very fertile, which help in producing a variety of crops such as rice, cotton and rubber. Fishing is an important occupation here. Fish are not only sold in the local markets but are also exported. Due to their closeness to the sea, they attract a lot of tourists. Then life in coastal plains. The coastal plains are spread over the regions of Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha and some parts of West Bengal. Now Gujarat. Gujarat lies on the western coast of India. Gandhinagar is the capital of Gujarat. The Narmada, Tapi, and Sabarmati rivers flow through the state. The major crops grown here are wheat, jowar, bajra, pulses, groundnut, sugarcane, and cotton. Now, farming and trading are the two major occupations of the people. Garba and Dandiya are the popular folk dances of Gujarat. Dwarka and Somnath are the important places of pilgrimage. Now, Goa. Goa is the smallest state of India and it is situated on the Konkan coast. So, smallest state of India is Goa. Okay, so Panaji is the capital of Goa. Goa has beautiful beaches. Farming and fishing are the main occupations of the local people. The major crops grown here are rice, ragi, coconuts, cashew nuts, and mangoes. Tourism is the main industry of Goa. Now Kerala. Kerala is in the southernmost part of the Malabar coast. Thiruvananthapuram is the capital of Kerala and the coastal region of Kerala has backwaters. Kerala is famous for its spices, cocoa, coconuts and rubber plantations. Fishing is an important means of livelihood. Onam is the main festival of Kerala. Boat race is the major attraction of this festival. Now Puducherry. It is a union territory that lies to the south of Chennai. People here speak Tamil, Telugu and Malayalam. French is also spoken by many people as Puducherry was ruled by the French for many years. Aurobindo Ashram and the Matri Mandir located here are visited by people from all over the world. Now Odisha. Bhubaneswar is the capital of Odisha. Puri, Konark and Bhubaneswar are famous pilgrimage towns of Odisha. Puri is famous for the Rath Yatra. Chilika Lake is an attractive tourist destination here. Now Iceland. And Iceland is a piece of land surrounded by water on all sides. On the map given on page 45, you will find that the two Iceland groups are located on the both sides of the southern part of the Indian mainland, the Andaman and Nicobar Islands in the Bay of Bengal and the Lakshadweep Island in the Arabian Sea. So look at the map of India. Here is Islands. Here Andaman and Nicobar Island and Lakshadweep Island, which situated Bay of Bengal, and this is situated at the Arabian Sea. Okay, in the Arabian Sea, and this is Andaman Nicobar Dippunja, which is situated in the Bay of Bengal, and Lakshadweep, which is situated in the Arabian Sea. So this is our Islands. Now Andaman and Nicobar Island. The Andaman and Nicobar Island is a union territory of India. Port Blair is the capital of this group of islands. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands are a cluster of over 5 islands, out of which only 38 islands are inhabited. The northern islands are known as the Andaman Islands and the southern islands are called in the Nicobar Islands. They are separated from each other by 10-degree channel. Now Fishing and farming are the main occupation in the Andaman and Nicobar Island. People here speak Bangla. It means Bengali is the main language. Now Lakshadweep Island. Like the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, the Lakshadweep Island is also a union territory of India. Kavaratti is the capital of Lakshadweep Islands. There are a total of 43 islands, but only 10 of these islands are inhabited. These islands are coral islands. A coral is a hard substance that forms on the bottom of the sea from the bones of very small creatures. Fishing is the main occupation of the local people of Lakshadweep Islands. Coconut is the main crop grown here. People here speak Tamil and Malayalam. Then let's start exercises. Okay. So আজকে আমরা একসাথে এক্সারসাইজও করে নেব. The fill in the blanks. Question number 1. The western coastal plains are located between the western Ghats and the Arabian Sea. অর্থাৎ আরবিয়ান এবং ওয়েস্টার্ন ঘাটের মাঝখানে রয়েছে western coastal plains. The Malabar coast lies to the south of the Konkan coast. Farming and trading are the two major occupations of the people of Gujarat. Kerala. Now, question number 4. Kerala is the southernmost part of the Malabar coast. And for question number 5, the Andaman and Nicobar Islands are separated from each other by 10-degree channel. Now, number B. Match column A with column B. Column A and column B. Dwarka is matched with Gujarat. Puri is matched with number D. Odisha. Backwaters is matched with Kerala. Number C option. Number C, this is Kerala. And 4 Panaji, which is matched with number B Goa. And Aurobindo Ashram, which is 5 number, is match with number A Puducherry. Okay, then state whether the following statements are true or false. Number 1, tourism is the main industry of Goa, which is true, so write here true. Then number 2, the coastal plains have a number of ports, which is absolutely true, so write here true. And number 3, Odisha is located on the eastern coast of India, which is false, so write here false. The 4th number, the people of Andaman and Nicobar Islands speak Bangla, which is true, so write here true. And number 5, the Lakshadweep Islands are coral island, which is true, so write here true. Then question number D, answer the question in brief. So এই কোশ্চেনগুলো আমি ডায়েরিতে লিখে রেখেছি, আমি কপিতে লিখে রেখেছি, তো ওখান থেকে আমি তোমাদের পড়ে শোনাচ্ছি। ওকে, তো আমরা এখন question number D থেকে পড়ব। Now how many parts are the western coastal plains divided into? Name them. The western coast, answer কি হবে? The western coastal plains are divided into 3 parts. So কয়টা parts? 3 parts. The Gujarat coast, the Konkan coast and the Malabar coast. Now question number 2, what is lagoon? Answer কি হবে? A lagoon is a shallow salt water lake separated from the sea by an area of rock or sand. Then question number 3, name the major crops grown in Goa. So answer क्या है? Rice, ragi, coconuts, cashew nuts and mangoes. Then describe the eastern coastal plains. Answer क्या है? The eastern coastal plains are located between the Eastern Ghats and the Bay of Bengal. These plains stretch from West Bengal to Tamil Nadu. These plains cover the eastern part of West Bengal, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Puducherry. Next question is, why are the coastal plains important? Answer क्या है? The coastal plains, আমি এখানে দুটো পয়েন্ট দিয়েছি তোমাদের, তো দুটো পয়েন্ট লিখলে তোমাদের হয়ে যাবে। So number 1 is, the coastal plains have a number of ports inland and foreign trade is carried on from these ports. Then number 2, the soil of the coastal plains is very fertile, which helps in producing a variety of crops such as rice, cotton and rubber. সো তোমরা এগুলো তোমাদের কপিতে লিখে নেবে এবং চ্যাপ্টার খুব ভালো করে পড়বে। প্রথমে তোমরা চ্যাপ্টার ভালো মতো পড়বে, তারপর তোমরা কোয়েশ্চেন অ্যান্সারগুলো তোমাদের কপিতে লিখে নেবে। ওকে।